Hello viewer, welcome back to our channel, to another video. This video, basically I'm just a follow-up on the Mavic Pro, and since I bought it, there's a video on unboxing, please go and check it out. There's another couple of other videos of me flying it, so check them out as well. But this one is just another video, just a quick update. It's what I like to do to it, personalize the whole equipment to suit the way I like to control it, the way I like to fly it and so forth. It doesn't apply to everybody. You don't necessarily have to agree or disagree with anything I do here, but it just suits the way I like to do it. So since I bought it, I've been flying the Mavic Pro with the phone setup. I use iPhone, so connecting through a cable there, and I just fly it like that. But what I found is the screen itself is just not big enough. It doesn't show the detail that I want it to show. And the setup, I just think I could do with a bigger screen. Just want to get the most potential out of it. So in regards to getting a bigger screen, obviously it's either get a bigger iPhone or get a tablet. I don't particularly like flying using my phone, to be honest with you. I like having my phone separate, just in case I want to go on the internet, or just in case there's a phone call and stuff like that. I just don't really like connect that to the Mavic Pro. And it's been like that since my first drone. The first drone I had, as you remember, I mentioned that I prefer the controller with the screen. I don't want to use my phone. So try and move away from the phone totally. So next option is basically a tablet. It's choosing a tablet. Well, I've been using Apple product for so many years now, so obvious choice, Apple product. So I bought myself a iPad mini. It's not the latest. This is iPad mini 3. Gold. So I'm not going to do unboxing because everybody knows what an iPad looks like, so there's nothing there, just sort of usual kit. So I'm not going to bother doing play, you know what it looks like. I didn't pay a lot of money for this. I think I pay £100 for iPad mini 3 gold. £100. It's only 16 gig, just to let you know. I don't need a big memory card on this because I'm only using it to fly drone. So if you come to my channel, you probably watch other videos from other YouTubers, and you'll know instantly that it fits. And it does fit. It just gets slotted in there. On the other side, it does fit. So it's quite nice. Obviously, I can't use the original cable because it only goes from there to there. I have to get a cable extension. The only problem is the cables out in the market I usually just extend the cable, which I don't like. So it took a long time to have a look, see actually took a while to find the cable I actually want. So at first I bought this cable, which is retractable cable. You got there USB, you got iPhone there. There's a little connector here which I will show you later. So this is quite good, different color. I've got the white one. So you plug into the, I'll show you there, plug into the back, and then the other side obviously to the iPad. That's what it will look like, not fully retracted. But the problem with that is that bit there, it gets in the way, and that's the reason why it's that long. It's a dual purpose cable, I'll show you in a minute. So that's just getting in the way. So it's not ideal for flying, but it is perfect for other things, which I'll show you. I'll come back to this later. So in regards to choosing the cable, so naturally went back online, find another cable. Got this. Different this one is, it's actually the right length, 250 millimeters, 90 degree in both ends. So I'll show you. It comes in different color. I just got the red one. So put in there. One that way. One there. Look at that. It's perfect. I've got another one coming with a little suction there. There's a little suction cup there. So what it does is sucks onto the surface of the iPad, and it attaches the cable onto it like that. So it doesn't flap about. And this just makes it a real perfect setup. I've got a bigger screen. I can view the detail a lot more clearer, a lot nicer to hold control. and that does not get in the way anymore, so it's quite nice. So I spin them out. So it's actually quite a nice setup now, the iPad. And what happened is, this is not the latest iPhone, this is iPhone 6, so it's getting really old and the battery doesn't last very long. What happened is, when I was flying the Pro, I often forget to charge it, or the batteries drain quite quickly, and it's quite annoying. So that's another reason why I don't want to use my phone. But that just brought another problem, is that charging the phone. So when I went on eBay and I bought this, it's a solar panel power pack, and it's got 2 USB port, torch at the bottom if you need it, and the solar panel charges it, the iPad, and charges the power pack. According to the seller, this is like water resistant to waterproof up to 1 meter. I've not really tried it, so I can't confirm or deny it. Anyway, back to this retractable cable. So the beauty about this is, obviously this will charge the iPad. If I forget to charge the iPad, or in that case like the iPhone, I've got to charge it. This will charge the device, as you can see. But say for example I forgot to charge the controller, not a problem. It's got a mini USB there, and that goes in there to the side of the controller, and they charge it as well. The one is 100%, but they charge it as well. So it's actually a dual purpose cable, so I find it really handy. So yeah, so this comes in different colour again as well. Got a white one here, got a black one in the background. Also bought a pink one, and there's a red one as well, just because they're not really that expensive. They're only like £1.50 each. It's really cheap stuff. And this cable, I say £1.50 again, the red one. That one's about £15. The iPad's £100, but the cable itself is literally perfect. Let me just unplug that, I don't need that anymore. So this is literally really good setup now. So it comes in a different colour, the cable. I just happen to buy a red one. You can buy silver, white, black, gold, whatever. But this is the latest setup for me, and it seems to work quite well. I'm not going to switch it on because I'm still charging the battery at the back. So it works. I have already played with it, so it's really nice. It's a nice setup. Anyway, that concludes the video for today. Most of this stuff you can buy on eBay, so I'm not going to put a link because I've tried to put a link before, then it just expires, the link just expires, so there's no point. Just Google solar panel, power pack, power bank, and 2-in-1 USB cable, retractable, and iPhone charging cable, 250mm. It just fits perfectly. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Check out my other videos. Thanks, bye.